Hi, Osman from American Runabouts. Just a quick update on our HELLWIG. The upholstery is done. So, yeah, you saw a bit of sewing going on, etc. We didn't film every single aspect of it, but generally just like to show you how it came out. So obviously there's still holes where the speakers come in and everything. The back cover here just gets a couple of hinges, so this can be folded up and down, bit of storage compartment, also access to the battery. And yeah, there's a couple of wrinkles here which actually come out once it's in the sun a little bit. And as you can see from the form, this is something that you cannot really 100% avoid. Other than that, we are pretty happy. So carpet's also in. Actually it turns out to be a pretty nice, cozy little boat. And yeah, next week engine will come on there, windscreen, and then she's basically ready to go on the water. So I hope you like that. And yeah, next time we see each other on video, she will be more or less ready. I'll probably just give you a little bit of an overview when we fit the windscreen, and then obviously a little bit on the engine, because we convert the engine from a direct steering to the steering wheel, obviously. But other than that, we're done. So yeah, if you like it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.